Hello my dear students, so today we are doing absorption by roots for ICSE class 10 biology, and in this video series we will be doing the objective questions like give technical terms. So we'll do give technical terms objective questions from the chapter absorption by roots. So I've already explained you this chapter in detail. You can go ahead and watch the video and learn the chapter very well and then come here. So let's go ahead with our first question. Phenomena of absorption of water by surface attraction. So you have to give the technical term for this. Give the technical term for phenomena of absorption of water by surface attraction. Write in the comment box quickly. Yes, it is imbibition. Correct. Let's go ahead. The solutions which have the same as osmotic pressure. Okay, so you have to give the technical term for those solutions which have the same osmotic pressure. So they are known as isotonic solutions which have the same osmotic pressure. Let's go ahead. A solution whose concentration is equal to the cell sap. So what is that solution known as? Give the technical term for that solution. So the answer is isotonic solution. Next, solution whose concentration is greater than that of a cell sap. Answer is hypertonic solution. We all know this very well. I am just taking these sessions so that you know how the objective questions are asked. Let's go ahead. The pressure which is responsible for the movement of water molecules across the cortical cells of the root. So what they have asked, which term? The term pressure. The pressure which is responsible for the movement of water molecules across the cortical cells. So what is that pressure known as? It is known as osmotic pressure. Let's go ahead. The condition in which water from a cell is completely removed due to exosmosis and no more shrinkage is possible. Okay, so you have to give the technical term for that condition in which from a cell all the water has been removed and now there is no possibility of any shrinkage. So all the water has been removed due to exosmosis. Exosmosis is when water moves out, through a semi-permeable membrane. So what is that condition known as? Plasmolysis. You have to read. If they would have asked what are those cells known as, so we would have written plasmolysed cells. A cell in a fully expanded condition is known as turgid. A turgid cell is a fully expanded cell. So I am taking these questions from this particular book, ICSE Question Bank for Biology Class 10 for 2024 examination. This book is given by Oswal Gurukul. Here all the chapter wise and category wise questions have been given. For every chapter you have chapter at a glance, word of advice by experts and previous year's board questions as well. You have all the objective and subjective type of questions like name the following, multiple choice questions, fill in the blank, short answer type questions, long answer type questions, very short answer type questions, diagram based question, assertion reasoning based questions. Every type of question has been covered. So I'll give you the link of this book, but right now let's go ahead with the questions. The pressure exerted by cell contents on the plant cell wall. So what is the name of that pressure which is exerted by the cell contents on the cell wall? The answer is Turgor pressure. You have to remember the spellings as well very nicely in biology. Now, the condition of a cell when placed in hypotonic solution. So, whenever any cell is kept in a hypotonic solution, okay, what is the condition of that particular cell? So, it will be a turgid cell. Okay, because from hypo solution the water will enter inside and the cell will become turgid. Next, tissue which transports manufactured food from leaves to other parts of the plant. What is the name of that tissue? Very easy. The name of that tissue is phloem, from which food is transferred from leaves to other parts of the plant. The tissue responsible for ascent of sap in plants. Sap is ascending in the plants. What is the tissue responsible? It is xylem. Okay, let's go ahead. Tissue which transports water from the soil to other parts of plant. Okay, which transports water from the soil to other parts of the plant. So for water, which tissue is responsible again? Xylem. Yes, let's go ahead. Pressure developed in the roots due to the inflow of water brought about by alternate turgidity and flexibility of the cells of the cortex and the root head cells. So you have to give the technical term for the pressure that has been developed in the root due to what? Due to inflow of water brought about by alternate turgidity and flexibility of cells of the cortex and the root head cells. So the answer is root pressure. Let's go ahead. Drooping of leaves due to loss of turgidity. What is this known as? Give the technical term of drooping of leaves due to loss of turgidity. The answer is wilting. Let's go ahead. Water together with mineral salts that gets absorbed by the roots. So what is that water along with the mineral salts known as? That is known as sap. Water plus mineral salts that the roots is absorbing is known as sap. Next, mutual force of attraction between the water molecules that binds them together. Okay, so if there are two water molecules and they are sticking to each other, okay, what is the mutual force of attraction between them? That force of attraction is known as cohesive force, and it exists between molecules of the same type. So water molecule, same type of molecule, they are getting attracted by which force? Cohesive force. So my dear students, all these questions were taken from this particular book. In this particular video we finished technical terms and give technical terms for. So for all the other type of questions, you can go ahead and buy this book. I will give you the link in the description box, and you can learn your whole ICSE syllabus with us absolutely free of cost on YouTube. I have given you all the detailed videos, and I am bringing up now all the questions as well. So go ahead and keep the learning always on Zenith Academy Online. Do share our channel with all your friends and tell them to subscribe as well. Bye bye my dear students, and all the very best.